Ooh. Okay, that's strong. Welcome to I Do Not Have a Boss and our cowboy gardener that is out this morning and making noise. Today I'm going to show you the first part of our Vietnam tour. We did a so-called land tour. I'm going to link it below what we used, and we saw a few things. So this is part 1. Next part 2 is coming tomorrow. The first one was the pearl farm. The second one is wine distillery, and then we have a pepper farm, and then we have some bees.
The company they work for him. Now that's guy he's the king of the pearl in this island. Yeah, we stop here to have a look.
Okay, so madam, you see, there are 3 different fish oyster. Yes, and this one the Aquia oyster. Aquia oyster come from in Japanese, and this one can live only 3 years old. Yes, and Thai oyster can live for 15 years old, and it can live from, come from France. Yes, and because right here, maximum oyster come from in Cambodia and Vietnamese, and this one can live for long time. Yes, 25 years old. Yes. And you see, aqua pearl has small size about 5 to 10 millimeter. Thai pearl and maximum pearl have a bigger size about 8 to 18 millimeter. Yes. And you know the color of pearl here. The color of pearl depends on what you live. Yes. For example, DJI shell has black color or round shell in the rib like pearl. As maximum yellow, we have yellow pearl in here. Yes. Color nature. We can take photo and video in here. Okay. So first we open the mouth oyster. They die, put per out. They die, put per out on the shell. Yes, okay, sorry, use oyster. Again. You know implanting oyster. You know implanting. Sorry.
So we're in Phu Quoc pearl farm, buying pearls and looking at the pearl farm. Good stuff. A lot of noisy people there. So this is the pearl farm in Phu Quoc. Cool place. A lot of other tourists. I'm going to look at the honey farm, I think it was, where they mix something from the tree and alcohol and whatever things they mix and make honey.
Lấy 6 lên 14.
Åh, det här är starkt.
1
No?
Hai.
Hi.
Ba.
Ba.
Yo.
Yo.
Ừ.
Cheers.
Quá đã. Stronger, right?
Okay, that's strong. Next up is a pepper farm here in Phu Quoc, and the traffic is even more wild here than it is in Thailand. So I did not know that pepper trees look like this.
White one. The white one, they planted. They can take up the seed.
Okay. Ở trên tầng mùa ra.
Yeah, about that sightseeing tour. This is a bee farm. As you may can see of my new beautiful hat. It's supposed to be needed here.
Working and making the honey.
You scared?
How about the Melby? What are they doing? Yes, the Melby only eating and fucking. But when the Melby fucking one time. Okay, and now
Yeah. Want to take photo?
she is friendly. Never beat you. I said only kiss you.
Từ để massage.
Thank you for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe. That would make me really happy. This happy. That's it. Bye bye.
Bye bye.